Verizon eSIM 5G Honest Review. Watch before using if you're thinking about upgrading to 5G. Most people get this wrong. They don't realize the advantages of eSIM technology combined with Verizon's 5G network. The surprising truth is how seamless and flexible managing multiple plans and devices can be. You won't believe how fast activation is and how much space it saves on your device. Here's how it works. eSIM replaces the physical SIM card with a digital profile, allowing you to activate Verizon's 5G service without inserting a card. For example, travelers can have a US 5G line and an international line on the same phone, switching easily between them. Verizon's 5G network provides faster download speeds, lower latency, and improved reliability in supported areas. Most people assume eSIM is complicated. It's actually managed through device settings for Verizon's app, making setup simple and fast. Another benefit is flexibility. You can add or remove lines without visiting a store, which is ideal for devices like smartwatches, tablets, or secondary phones. However, there are considerations. 5G coverage is not universal, so speeds depend on location. Most people assume any device supports eSIM compatibility should be verified before switching. In conclusion, Verizon eSIM 5G is a convenient, high-speed solution for modern mobile connectivity. It simplifies device management, provides faster internet, and allows multiple lines without physical SIMs. Subscribe now for more honest reviews of telecom services and technology.